BMX. So we have some stolen joint tires. And we have ODI soft long necks. So let's see how it goes.
Good luck, all right, mind, automatic. Good luck, all right, mind, automatic.
Sure you want the which channel?
Good luck, all right, mind, automatic. 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 60.
Okay, thought of one more thing to add to the bike. We're gonna do these cool blue valve caps that fit this bike perfectly. So let me throw these on quickly.
Automatic. Good luck, all right, mind, automatic.
Okay, so we have ODI soft long necks, perfect color match. We have those valve caps. We have the stolen joint tires. These are awesome. I ride these also. And we put a new tube in, new KMC 410 chain. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video.